My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Toon, aka your favorite YouTube content creator. Back at you again with another sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, so got a early sneaker review for y'all. Blast from the past. I did actually have this shoe, and I can't wait to actually re-buy this shoe because not only is this shoe originated from where I'm from, the East Coast. I'm from Baltimore. This shoe got popular by the rapper Wale, who was right there up the street from Baltimore and Washington, D.C. Was like, I think it's like 30 minutes away from where I was born and raised at. He made this shoe very popular back then. And yeah, they've been released. It's like, it didn't stop releasing it, but this particular colorway, I think this is only the second time it released. I could be wrong about that. I'll give you some information when I get home. But was hoping, I used it when I had this shoe when I was a kid. I wore this shoe to the bone, to the rubber on the bottom came off. So I love this goddamn shoe. So looking forward to getting this in my hand. I don't know the actual release date, but you know what I usually do. I give you all the review. I give you my intro, which is this. Then I give you all the review, and then after that, I give y'all some detailed information, retail price, and release date, and all that good stuff. So after the review, I'll give you all that. So stay tuned for that. Enjoy the review. It will be a voiceover. I usually talk during the actual review. Let me put my window up. I usually talk during the actual review, but for obvious reasons, this time I couldn't put the background volume with the video. So I muted out that, and I'm doing a voiceover. So enjoy it, and I will be back after the review. So see y'all soon. Enjoy. Okay, as you see, we got this black Nike box. Nothing special. Nike across the lid. They got the Nike swoosh right there. Let's get to the label. Oh, Nike right there. Let's say Air Foamposite 1 Royal White Black. That is a label, size 9. I do go half a size up on Foamposites because they're tight as hell. Like they run kind of small. So I definitely advise going up. Without further ado, we got the Air Foamposite 1 or NikeAir Foamposite 1 Royal. I forgot it's another name for this too. I'll tell you when I get home. But loving these. Like I said, this was a dream come true when I got this shoe when I was younger. I love that blue on it. Excuse me. You see the penny logo right there. Like I said, rappers like Wale made this famous. Definitely from the DMV area. You know how popular this shoe was. They did go by a nickname. I'm not going to talk about the nickname that they go by, but if you know, you know. Carbon fiber on the black on the bottom. Excuse me, I'm messing up all my words. Blue and back right there. Black laces right there. That royal blue is just a beautiful, beautiful color. I can't wait to get these. I just can't wait to get these. This is a definite cop. If they wasn't so much money, I'd probably double up on them, but they are. Here go the second pair right here. Second shoe right there. No extra laces. Nothing needed. This is perfect. It's just a perfect shoe. Like I said, this takes me right back to my childhood, back to growing up in Baltimore City. These drop, I think, next week or something like that. Definitely when I get home, I'll give you the actual real release date. And I think they go for $240 or something like that, $230, something like that. So, icy bottom, just icy. Just everything about the shoe is perfect. Only thing I don't like about them is they're kind of heavy, but it is what it is. Foamposites are heavy. I don't want to say I had Penny Hardaway used to play basketball in these, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, let's get back to the house so I can give y'all some proper information about this shoe and when it drop and all that good stuff. So this is probably my thumbnail right here. Be back. Okay, I'm back. Hope y'all enjoyed that little look at the Nike NikeAir Foamposite 1. These are called the Royals. That's what it was. But hold on, I got it. You turned on auto pay. I don't know why auto pay is on my what's name. Anyway, I'm sorry, I got an email. Anyway, give y'all some information about these Foamposites. This is nicekicks.com. Shout out to nicekicks.com. Usually, I put like this on the side of me so you can read along with me. But since I am driving, which I'm about to pull over, I don't really have the option to do all that right now. I mean, I could, but I don't want to. So anyway, just believe me what I'm reading. Here it is right here. But all right. It says, originally released in 1997, the Foamposite 1 is known for its futuristic design and innovative Foamposite technology, which gives the shoes its distinct modern molded upper. Set to return for fall 2024 is the NikeAir Foamposite 1, boosting the Royal, aka International Blue colorway. The International Blue colorway features a dark neon royal blue Foamposite upper with black nubuck accents and a translucent outsole. It has been one of the most popular enduring colorways in the Foamposite 1 line. What's more, for the first time, the mid-foot carbon fiber stang and the forefoot swoosh logo outline will sport black and blue hues, reminiscent of those iconic 1997 ads. Interested readers can purchase the NikeAir Foamposite 1 International Blue when it's released on September 13th, 2024. Selected retail price for $240. God damn, $240 is crazy. Like $240 is crazy. Oh my god. And here goes some more images. I know y'all on the camera, but anyway, yeah, like I said, and in the intro, I had this shoe when I was a child. Not a child, but like a teenager, and I loved it. These and the pink and black ones was my favorite Foamposites. But Foamposites, that, aka the pennies, Penny Hardaway. So the problem with these is the price is great. Like $240 retail means out the gate $255, $260 tax, depending on where you live at in the world. That is insane. Like, that is insane for a shoe. That is way more than Jordans. And most places, you can't use discounts or coupons or whatever on this selected shoe. Like most Jordans you can. So I don't know, but I'm still gonna get it. I'm not gonna sit up here and lie to y'all like I'm not gonna get it. I'm gonna get it because this shoe is probably gonna sell out and it's not gonna go on sale. It's not. Like I said, it's only about three Foamposites I really like. These, the pink and black ones, I hope they really release them right around like maybe Valentine's Day or something. I hope they re-release them. And actually these might be the only two, because I passed on the eggplant ones, so I didn't really care too much about those. But anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.